What's something only kids who grew up poor would understand? In 8th grade, our science teacher announced the annual science fair was mandatory. Everyone needed trifold display boards, printed color graphs, and materials for experiments. My classmates excitedly discussed everything while I silently calculated costs I knew we couldn't afford. That night, I lied to my mom, telling her the project wasn't due for months. She was working double shifts that week, and the last thing she needed was another expense to worry about. At school, I started collecting discarded cardboard from the recycling bins. During lunch, I'd slip into the art room to salvage scraps of construction paper and dried-out markers. I began drawing my graphs by hand using rulers borrowed from the classroom. 2 weeks before the fair, I was in the library cutting my salvaged cardboard into a makeshift display. Mine was a patchwork of cereal boxes, while others had perfect store-bought trifolds. Mr. Grayson, the night janitor, noticed me struggling. "Science fair?" he asked. I nodded, embarrassed. "Wait here," he said, returning with flattened textbook boxes from the cafeteria. Much better than cereal boxes. For 3 evenings, he let me use the maintenance room after hours. He showed me how to cut perfect edges with a large paper cutter and found me half-empty spray paint from drama club. While I mentioned needing printed graphs, he introduced me to Miss Phillips, the secretary. On science fair day, my project looked different. Mr. Warren, the science teacher, paused at my station. "Interesting design choice," he commented. "I appreciate students who think beyond the standard format."